finna be doing a vlog because I was like, we going to a party, let me do a vlog. So before this video ends, like it can be in the middle of the video, it can be at the end, or it can be the first. Before, like, as soon as y'all hear it, y'all can do it. So I'm finna to, okay, this is what y'all supposed to do. Y'all about to just comment and say happy birthday. That's all. So right now I'm in the car, finna to go to get my brother. He finna put another picture on his his monkey suit, I guess. I don't know. His monkey suit, and we're finna put another picture on it. So yeah, cause he already have a picture of what he already have a picture on it, but he want another picture. So yeah, we on our way to go drop that off, and it only takes 5 minutes. My mom said, cause I wasn't with them. We was at school when she had went to go put. So we at the place. My mom. Mom. Okay. Whatever, y'all. So we at the place. Okay. Yep. The place. We got the belongings. Hold on, y'all. Alright. We got the belongings. We finna let it go for my brother, grandma. So yeah. So we finna let these. So we're gonna do a lot of stuff. Or they look like they finna light the fireworks right now. So let's turn the camera. Do my vlog.
Yeah, what I'm gonna say.
They told me.
There you go. Oh God. D.
You gotta ask me something or let me do something. The thing in your hair.
Yeah.
What's the title of the vlog?
I don't know.
A night out? It's a remembrance. Okay.
Look at cute face, Niecy.
Ooh, yes.
Oh, it is. No, I turned it off. Oh, it is. Oh, I know my mama light on, y'all. He finna light the fireworks, so I'm finna be scared. He finna light the fireworks. Hold on, y'all. Hello. Y'all. He finna light them, and I'm over here. Let me run. Let me run to the rescue. Alright, y'all, I'm finna stop and go vlog. I'm finna let these go.
Alright, y'all, so I'm vlogging right now because Dior act like she's scared of the camera because there's a lot of people out here, so yep. Oh, here she
It's my
goes.
mom, y'all. Okay, cute face, Nook.
That's Tasia. That's it.
Yo.
I'ma get the pussy on the first day.
We were looking for you.
I'ma get you lit, hit birthday. Some money up Thursday. Y'all already know how the game play. She don't wanna run, you better turn up the gameplay.
Hey, vlog. Oh, shit. Hey, vlog.
The other way, go. Say what's up to the vlog, girl.
Hey, what's up? How y'all doing? We here at my mother-in-law balloon release.
Period.
Letting these balloons up. I got one. Because somebody took my green.
Good, girl.
So much.
We're about to start the balloon release. Rest in peace, Grandma. We love her. She was so kind-hearted and sweet. Always happy, encouraging people. This for you, Grandma. Happy birthday. Love you.
I can't let it go. How you let it go? Wait.
Okay, y'all, here's the call. Here's the call. Oh, it's gonna be loud, y'all. It's gonna blow my own drains. You know what I'm saying? Ready? So the fireworks show is done. Well, not done. We finna eat and all that. And yeah. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm eating. What kind of food I'm eating. So party is done. I went to my cousin's party real quick a little bit, and then I'm gonna go home. But make sure y'all subscribe, comment, like, and hit that little pretty bell, and make sure y'all say happy birthday, Miss Cynthia. Period.